We are to find the real root of the equation 2e to the x plus e to the negative x all over 2 plus e to the x equals 3. Your answer must be correct to 3 decimal places. In order to solve this, we can cross multiply so that we have 2e to the x plus e to the negative x. This is 3 times 2 plus e to the x. Expanding the right side, we have 6 plus 3e to the x. So we can move all these over. 3e to the x minus 2e to the x is e to the x plus 6 minus e to the negative x equals 0. E to the negative x is 1 over e to the x, and we can multiply this equation throughout by e to the x to eliminate the denominator. That gives us the square of e to the x plus 6e to the x minus 1 equals 0. We can write this equation in a simpler form if we let y equals e to the x. Then we have an equation in the form of y squared plus 6y minus 1 equals 0, which is quadratic. The left side cannot be simplified. In order to solve for y, we use the quadratic formula. A is 1, B is 6, and C is negative 1. Then y is negative b, which is negative 6, plus minus square root of b squared, which is 36 minus 4, a is 1, c is negative 1, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. That will give us negative 6 plus minus square root of, under the radical, we have 36. The 2 negative will end up a positive, so 36 plus 4 is square root of 40 all over 2. Square root of 40, that is square root of 4 square root of 10, which is 2 square root of 10. And we have negative 6 plus minus 2 square root of 10 all over 2, which is negative 3 plus minus square root of 10. These are the y values. What we want is the value of x. So y is e to the x. Then we have e to the x equals negative 3 plus square root of 10, or e to the x equals negative 3 minus square root of 10. This is impossible because e to the x is positive, but negative 3 minus root 10 is negative. A positive value cannot equal a negative value. We are left with e to the x equals negative 3 plus root 10. In order to find the value of x, we log both sides. So on the left, we have x. On the right, we have ln of negative 3 plus square root of 10. Since your answer is correct to 3 decimal places, we evaluate this using the calculator, which is negative 1.818.